Okay, so this is just a super informal tutorial on how to use a program called Screencast Matic, where you can record either your face, the screen, or both the face and the screen. So I'm just going to type in Screencast Matic, and then this is what the program looks like when it pops up on Google. When it comes to this home screen, there are two options. One is free and one is not. So I always do the free recording. The limitations is just that you can't go over 15 minutes, but really over 15 minutes of lecture isn't recommended anyways. So once I click on the free recorder, I'm going to click Launch Free Recorder. If you haven't used the program before, it's going to ask you to download, and then it will be the same screen that pops up. So this is what it looks like. You can see that this box, anything inside the box is what's going to be recorded. And so here's where I said you can record either just the screen, you can record just the face. Hi, Michelle.
Hi.
You can record both your screen and the face. I have seen some research that says that it's powerful to have your face shown in a video. So just some food for thought. When you are ready to go, you just come down here and click on record. I'm just going to do it quick to show you. It gives you a countdown. You can pause the recording and then start again, and it will keep going in the same spot that you were before. You can see here you only have your 15 minutes. When you're done, you still press pause. You can either delete and record again, or you can hit done. When you're done, you can save it and upload it, or you can edit it, and again, editing will cost money. When you save, it gives you a few different options. One is save as a video file. This would go on your regular computer. You can upload it to Screencast-O-Matic. To be honest, I don't know how that works. I imagine you have to have the program. What I usually do is just upload it straight to YouTube. If you're logged in YouTube, it will go straight to your YouTube account. It will first upload all the sound, and then you just click publish. It will take some time to publish it to YouTube, and then I can even show you quick on YouTube where it shows up. The longer the video is, the longer that part will take. So I'm just going to go to my YouTube. You can see that I'm logged into my YouTube. If I go to your videos, it should pop up there, and it usually just takes a minute or so. So I'm going to refresh there, and that should come up. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.